Founders should work on the business and not in the business. Founders should work on strategy and not in the execution. These are the wise words I've heard from a lot of people. But frankly, these words haven't helped me much. Whenever both of us founders have tried to pull away from day-to-day functioning of the company, either our growth has suffered or our efficiency has suffered or our culture has suffered. On the contrary, whenever one of the founders has involved themselves in one of the functions of the company closely, that function has outperformed compared to average. Now, this often led me to think that we need to build better processes and build better teams to achieve a state where I don't have to involve myself in the day-to-day activities. But then last week I came across this note by Paul Graham on the founder mode. So founder mode makes so much sense. Come to think of it, I have never found a lot of hyper successful founders who have completely withdrawn themselves from the day-to-day functioning of the business. They always have the control of the core of the business. Founders might be able to successfully withdraw from the support functions in the business, but again, they should always be in control of core and the culture of the business. If founders are doing only the strategy bit, then what is the difference between a founder and an investor? Founders cannot be investors in their own company. You cannot delegate away your success to somebody else.